I built an AI chatbot that makes me $150 every single month, and it took me 24 hours from start to finish with zero coding experience. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step, so you can build your own and start earning recurring income this week. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, quick heads up. If you stayed from my last video where I made $690 while I slept, this chatbot was the #1 tool on that list. Why? Because it's recurring income. You build it once, and you get paid every single month. If that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss any of my AI money tutorials. Alright, let's build this thing. First, let me show you what this chatbot actually does. It's not complicated. It's a simple AI assistant that sits on a small business website and answers customer questions 24/7. Questions like, what are your hours? How much does this service cost? Can I book an appointment? The chatbot responds instantly, even when the business owner is asleep. And businesses love this because it saves them hours every week and helps them capture more leads. That's why they're willing to pay $50 to $150 per month for it. You set it up once. It runs forever. You collect the payment every month. Now, let me show you how to build one. Step 1. Pick your chatbot platform. You have two main options here. Option 1. Use a no-code platform like ManyChat or ChatFuel. These are beginner-friendly, drag-and-drop tools that let you build a chatbot without writing a single line of code. Option 2. Use ChatGPT API with a tool like VoiceFlow or Lambot. This gives you more control, but requires a little bit of technical setup. For your first chatbot, I recommend starting with ManyChat. It's free to start, it's easy to use, and you can have a working chatbot in under 2 hours. So go to ManyChat.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. This is where you build your chatbot. Don't worry if it looks confusing at first. I'm going to walk you through everything. Step 2. Define what your chatbot needs to do. Before you start building, you need to know what questions your chatbot will answer. This depends on the type of business you're building it for. Let's say you're building a chatbot for a local hair salon. The most common questions are probably, what services do you offer? How much does a haircut cost? Can I book an appointment? What are your hours? Make a list of 5 to 10 questions like this. Then write out the answers. Keep them short and friendly. For example, we offer haircuts, coloring, and styling. Haircuts start at $35. You can book online or call us at 555-1234. We're open Monday to Saturday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. That's it. You don't need fancy language. You just need clear, helpful answers. Once you have your list, you're ready to build. Step 3. Build the chatbot flow in ManyChat. This is where it gets fun. In ManyChat, you'll use something called a flow. A flow is just a series of messages and responses that guide the conversation. Click Create Flow and name it something like Salon Assistant. Now, start with a welcome message. This is what the chatbot says when someone first clicks on it. Keep it friendly. Something like, hi, I'm here to help. What can I help you with today? Then, add buttons below the message. Each button represents a question the customer might ask. For example, see services, check prices, book appointment, contact us. When someone clicks a button, the chatbot responds with the answer you wrote earlier. You're literally just connecting questions to answers using drag and drop blocks. If someone clicks check prices, the chatbot says haircuts start at $35. Color services start at $75. Want to book an appointment? You can even add a link to the salon's booking page. It's that simple. Spend an hour or two building out all the flows for your 5 to 10 questions. Test it as you go. ManyChat has a preview feature, so you can see exactly how it works before you show it to anyone. Step 4. Connect the chatbot to a website or Facebook page. Once your chatbot is built, you need to connect it somewhere so people can actually use it. The easiest option is Facebook Messenger. Most small businesses already have a Facebook page, so you can connect your ManyChat to their page in about 5 minutes. Just go to the settings in ManyChat, connect it to the business's Facebook page, and boom. Now anyone who messages the page gets an instant reply from the chatbot. The second option is embedding it on a website. ManyChat gives you a code snippet. You copy it and paste it into the website's code. If you're not comfortable doing that, most website builders like Wix or Squarespace let you add widgets without touching any code. Either way, this step takes less than 30 minutes. And once it's live, the chatbot is working 24/7. All right, quick pause. I know this might feel like a lot, but trust me, it's easier than it sounds. And here's the thing. The most important part of this whole process is coming up next. This is how you actually get paid. So if you're serious about making recurring income with AI chatbots, do me a favor. Smash that like button right now. Drop a comment and let me know if you're building your first chatbot this week. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button because I post AI money tutorials like this every single week. All right, let's finish strong. Step 5. Find your first client and get paid. Now that you know how to build the chatbot, you need to find a business that will actually pay you for it. Here's the easiest way to do that. Go on Facebook or Instagram and search for local businesses in your area. Hair salons, gyms, coffee shops, real estate agents, plumbers, dentists. Literally any service-based business. Look at their pages and see if they respond to messages quickly. If they don't, that's your opportunity. Send them a simple message like this. Hi, I noticed you're not always able to respond to messages right away. I build AI chatbots that answer customer questions instantly, 24/7. It takes about 5 hours off your plate every week and helps you book more appointments. Would you be interested in seeing how it works? Keep it short. Keep it helpful. You're not being pushy. You're offering a solution to a real problem. Most people won't respond. That's normal. But if you message 10 businesses, you'll probably get 2 or 3 replies. And out of those, you'll close at least 1 client. When they say yes, show them the demo chatbot you built. Walk them through how it works. Answer their questions. Then talk about pricing. Here's how to price your chatbot service. For your first few clients, charge $50 to $75 per month. This is low enough that it's an easy yes for a small business, but high enough that you're making real money. As you get more experience and testimonials, raise your price to $100 to $150 per month. And here's the beautiful part. Once the chatbot is set up, it runs on autopilot. You might need to update it once every few months, but that's it. You're getting paid $50 to $150 every single month for something you built once. If you get 3 clients at $50 each, that's $150 a month. 6 clients? That's $300 a month. 10 clients? That's $500 to $1,500 a month in recurring passive income. And all of it started with one chatbot that took you 24 hours to learn how to build. So let me recap the 5 steps. Step 1, pick your chatbot platform. I recommend ManyChat for beginners. Step 2, define what your chatbot needs to do. Write out 5 to 10 common questions and answers. Step 3, build the chatbot flow using drag and drop blocks in ManyChat. Step 4, connect the chatbot to a Facebook page or website. Step 5, find your first client, show them the demo, and get paid $50 to $150 per month. That's it. That's the entire process. Is it easy? Not at first. You'll probably spend a few hours figuring things out. But once you build your first one, the second one takes half the time. And by your third or fourth chatbot, you can build them in under 2 hours. Here's what I want you to do right now. Go to ManyChat.com and sign up for a free account. Spend 1 hour today building a simple demo chatbot. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just build something that works. Then reach out to one local business this week. Just one. Show them what you built and see what happens. I promise you this works. So which type of business are you going to build a chatbot for first? Hair salon? Gym? Coffee shop? Real estate agent? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if this tutorial gave you a clear action plan, hit that like button and subscribe to Smart Money AI, because next week I'm showing you how to scale this to 5 or 10 clients and turn it into a $1,000 per month income stream. You don't want to miss that. Let's build wealth with AI together. See you in the next one.